The dawn of everything. Before stars lit the sky, before galaxies took shape, the universe was a sea of raw energy. Then came the greatest event of all, the Big Bang. In a blinding flash of creation, time and space began. Atoms formed, mostly hydrogen and helium, drifting through the newborn cosmos. Billions of years later, gravity pulled these atoms together, igniting the first stars. Those stars lived, burned, and died in fiery explosions called supernovae. From their ashes came something new, stardust. And from that dust, worlds would one day be born. Chapter 1: The Cosmic Nursery. When a star dies, it scatters its elements into space. Carbon, oxygen, silicon, iron, the ingredients of planets and of life. These particles drift through the galaxy, forming vast clouds known as nebulae, glowing nurseries where new stars and worlds will rise. Slowly, gravity begins its work. It gathers the gas and dust into swirling disks around a growing center. A young star taking shape. Within that disk, tiny grains collide and stick together. What begins as specks of dust becomes pebbles, then rocks, then worlds. Each collision brings chaos and creation, the birth pangs of a solar system. Chapter 2: Gravity, the sculptor of worlds. Gravity is the invisible hand of the cosmos. It pulls, crashes, molds, and reshapes. Within a young disk of dust and gas, this force binds matter together. Larger and larger bodies form, planetesimals, the seeds of future planets. Some grow massive enough to dominate their region, clearing the space around them. Others are shattered in violent impacts, scattering debris across the system. From destruction comes creation again. Moons, asteroids, comets, leftovers of cosmic construction. And as the dust settles, a new balance begins to form. A family of worlds is emerging around their newborn star. Chapter 3: The Birth of the Sun and the Solar System. Around 4.6 billion years ago, one particular cloud of gas and dust collapsed under its own gravity. At its center, a fiery sphere ignited. The Sun was born. Around it, a vast disk of material spun in orbit. Closer to the Sun, where heat was intense, metals and rocks survived, forming the terrestrial planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Farther away, where it was cooler, ice could exist. There, giants like Jupiter and Saturn gathered massive envelopes of gas. Beyond them, Uranus and Neptune, frozen worlds made of ice and methane, completed the outer frontier. Our solar system had taken shape, carved from the ashes of long-dead stars. Chapter 4: The Violent Young Earth. In the beginning, Earth was a molten inferno. Asteroids rained down endlessly, smashing its surface, releasing oceans of lava. Its air was toxic, thick with carbon dioxide, sulfur, and ammonia. Then, something extraordinary happened. Comets and icy asteroids delivered water. Steam rose, clouds formed, and rain fell for millions of years. The surface cooled, solid ground appeared, and vast oceans filled the basins of a newborn world. From the debris of creation, the first stable planet had emerged, and soon, the first spark of life would follow. Chapter 5. Other Worlds, Other Beginnings. Earth was not alone in its cosmic story. Mars, once blue and alive with rivers, now lies silent and red, its oceans long gone. Venus, Earth's twin, became a world of fire and poison, wrapped in a suffocating atmosphere. Farther out, the moons of Jupiter and Saturn hide oceans beneath icy crusts. Europa, Enceladus, and Titan may harbor the conditions for life beneath their frozen shells. And beyond our solar system, telescopes have found thousands of exoplanets, each with its own story of birth and evolution. Some orbit twin suns, some are giant water worlds, and some may be just like Earth. Chapter 6. The Eternal Cycle of Creation. In the universe, nothing lasts forever. Stars are born, live, and die. And with them, their planets too. A planet may fall into its star, drift into the dark, or be torn apart by gravity. But even death is not the end. When a star explodes, it enriches space with new elements: gold, silver, oxygen, seeds for the next generation of stars and worlds. This is the cosmic cycle: endless creation, endless rebirth. Every planet, every creature, every human being is part of this cycle. We are not apart from the universe. We are its continuation. Final chapter. We are stardust. Look up at the night sky. Every point of light you see is a star. And around many of them, new worlds are forming right now. Somewhere, another Earth may already exist, waiting to be discovered. The iron in your blood, the calcium in your bones, the oxygen you breathe, all were forged in ancient stars. You are literally made of stardust. The universe created you so that it could see itself. And when our time ends, when our sun fades and the earth turns cold, our atoms will return to the stars, to become part of new worlds, new suns, and new beginnings. We are the children of stars. We are the universe made conscious. And the story of the planets is the story of us all. From the ashes of dying stars, new worlds rise, and among them, one became home. Subscribe for more journeys through the cosmos.